Crypto Hotep here with another crypto trading video. This video is going to be speaking about a new position that I placed in my altcoin Coinbase portfolio. That position is with Goldfinch. That may sound like a new name to some, so we'll jump right in. But before we do, two things. Anything that's said on this video is not financial advice. Please do your due diligence to research any crypto that you choose to invest or trade in. Also, got to pay the bills. Coinbase is the broker of choice for Crypto Hotep, and they are the ones that are sponsoring this video. If you follow me, if you like the videos, feel free to like, subscribe, comment. If you also use Coinbase, feel free to use the link down below in the description. Even if you have a Coinbase account, click that link and link up your account with that. What will happen is you will actually be supporting the channel and supporting myself, because Coinbase will be paying 40% of the fees that they charge you. They'll pay those to me. So you literally don't have to open your wallet, open your purse, whatever. You can just link in your Coinbase account or make a Coinbase account with this link below, and you'll be supporting the channel. So with that being said, we'll jump right in. So Goldfinch is a DeFi crypto in the real world asset space. Okay. So basically it is a protocol. It's a lending protocol where you can lend out money, i.e. USDC, to borrowers. Now the difference between this protocol and say an Aave or a Compound or a Curve Finance, for instance, is you're actually lending this USDC out to real world in real life companies. It's actually a pretty cool concept, and we'll go through that right here. So they do provide you a APY for your lent out USDC that you supply or that you lend out. And they, like I said, they go to real world companies here. So you'll see here the actual company name, who's managing it, and then that APY. Now that is no typo. You do get a large APY, 17%, which is tremendous. The only thing is there is a duration on this, meaning that you're kind of locked in for 37 months here. For me, that's a long time. Some don't have 37 months, some have 25 months. I would much prefer just the Goldfinch senior pool here. That APY is 7.6, so significantly less than 17%. However, the duration is opened, the amount's variable, and you can literally lend it out and then take it back whenever you need to. So it's a very good platform here. It's a very good concept as well. And I think the real world asset space is just getting started. I am a big proponent of DeFi. I prefer DeFi over TradFi all day, every day, just because it puts power back into the people to have control over your money. You don't really need a bank to tell you how to lend your money out when you can just do it yourself. Another thing with Goldfinch, and I look for this with all of my cryptos, because as you guys know, if you've been following me, I don't delve into a lot of meme coins. I know that's the big thing. But I'm more on the altcoins and utility coins in particular. My gains, they're not in the 1,000 percentiles, but they are still, to me, they're still good at around, in between like 75 and 160%, which is still tremendous. But when you compare them to those meme coins, they could be like peanuts, but I'm completely fine with that. But one thing that I always look at with these newer coins are who they're backed by. So the big thing that stood out to me was this is backed by Coinbase, the folks that sponsor this video. So Coinbase Ventures, which is like a venture capitalist where they help fund startup crypto companies, has backed Goldfinch. So that was my mark of approval right there. Not only that, it's obviously accessible on Coinbase. You can buy this crypto on Coinbase as well. Anderson Horowitz is another name that I know, as well as A Capital. So a lot of familiar faces here, and I really like that. So just, again, putting your stable coins to work. I believe they focus primarily on USDC. So they give you a couple options. to supply or lend out your USDC. They give you the tremendous yields or just the 7.6 yield, whatever you like, which is still a good yield compared to a regular bank. And then they have other liquidity options here for you. So a very good project that I like, and that had my eye. Now, the reason why this really took my eye was because we can go to the charts here of a setup that I saw. So when I looked at the chart and I opened up Goldfinch, and it was random how I did this. I was just really screening my list here to the right of coins, because last week was a very good altcoin week. A lot of coins ended greatly, and everything's been pumping, and mostly everything has been around this like overbought area here on RSI. So when I hopped on Goldfinch, it surprised me because the biggest thing that stood out in RSI terms is it's currently right here. So it just peaked a little bit over 50 RSI, not as much as all the other coins. So that had my interest. Also, it had my interest because it currently was at near oversold levels, near the 30 mark on RSI. So I'm like, okay, this has a potential for a move here. So we had a liquidity area here that got swept, and that was near that low that we just mentioned here. And then we could see that there has been three bullish candles to the upside, and price was sitting here in this key level at around 230. So I thought to myself, this could be a good entry here, because what I am expecting is price to either break and retest at the 50 RSI, or just potentially keep going up and trending upwards. Either way, price is at a key level, which is one of my prerequisites in getting in a position. And the upside to it, there's still room to move here, because if you look to the left, Goldfinch, if it blows past the 70 RSI and overbought levels, typically it's good for one more bounce to the upside right here. And you can see that here. If price gets into a key level and the trend was previously bullish extremely, meaning that the quote unquote roof or the 70 RSI got blasted through, you can expect another move to the upside. So that's what I was thinking, that there's still some more room to go here. And so I did wind up adding this in my position. Now, if some of this is sounding a little bit like Chinese or French in terms of Goldfinch and what it actually does, let's look at a tool that you may have at your disposal with Twitter or X. So what I did was I just asked Grok, their AI tool, in simple terms, what does Goldfinch the crypto do? And it spit out this answer right here. So Goldfinch is a decentralized credit protocol that allows for crypto borrowing without the need for crypto collateral. Now, if you say, hey, Crypto Hotep, that's a lot. It's a lot of words. It's fine. Let's see if we can you summarize this shorter? Let's see if we can get that summarized here. Okay, so Goldfinch is a crypto protocol that lets businesses borrow crypto without needing crypto collateral. Borrowers use real-world assets or income as backing, and investors fund these loans, earning yields. It connects traditional business lending with DeFi, aiming for global financial inclusion. Boom. Very easy. Very easy here. So I would say if you need to, use Grok as a tool for you, especially when trying to learn about crypto. And because you can literally ask it anything. Let's even ask it, what is Goldfinch market cap? Let's see what they have here. Okay, so yeah, and this is correct. I just looked at CoinMarketCap. So as of the latest available data, the market cap of Goldfinch is approximately only 68 million. So it has more room to the upside. And I really think DeFi, real world assets in particular, is just getting started. It hasn't even really woken up yet. So I think that's a sleeping giant here. And as always, guys, I have the receipts here for you just to showcase that we did place those orders in for GFI. I bought at 230, as I mentioned, at key level. We bought 250 GFI, and then $2.33. I bought more today because I liked the push that I saw in that key level, and we only bought 100 here. Now, if price does come down for GFI, say from that 230 level, and maybe it goes back to the liquidity sweep area we saw, I wouldn't mind buying more GFI. Just because I do like the mission that it has, I do like the concept, and I do agree with the mission that they're trying to accomplish with business lending, having a easy way to lend businesses crypto and USDC for business backing, and making it available to everyone. So, with that being said, guys, we will end the video. But as always, if you did like the video, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And thanks, guys, and happy trading.